Hi, in this video I will answer the question, can we eat carbs when we do the Candida protocol? So my answer is yes, but it depends how many carbs. It will depend on you, on your body, and which carbs I will explain in this video. So when I did the protocol to heal my Candida overgrowth and to heal my gut and all my other issues, my food intolerances and so on, so that's when I started my YouTube channel. So if you watch my older videos, so actually not on this channel because the English channel is new, but if you go on my French channel, I started my French channel in 2018 when I started the Candida protocol. Well, actually it was the second time I was doing the protocol when I started my YouTube channel. I did that to share my health journey. So you can go watch my videos on my French channel because all my first videos were all both in French and in English. So you just need to activate the YouTube subtitles to have English subtitles on my older videos on my French channel. Anyway, so I did a Candida protocol twice because after the first protocol I felt much better. Like most of my food intolerances were, much better, but I was still not healed 100%. There was still something missing. So that's why I did the protocol a second time, and after the second time I was completely healed. So when I did the protocol the first time, I went on zero carbs for 4 months. So the protocol actually doesn't last 4 months. It lasts mainly 2 months, actually a little more about 3 months, but it depends on everybody. But anyway, I did zero carbs 4 months because actually my supplements to heal my Candida overgrowth came 2 months late. So anyway, that's why I started the diet 2 months early. Anyway, so I was on zero carbs for 4 months because I wanted to do my best to completely heal Candida. I didn't want to have any regrets, so I wanted to do the protocol as strictly as possible, and that's what I did. So the only kind of carbs I was eating during the first time I did the protocol, I was eating a handful of berries every morning. Not even every morning. Some mornings I was not eating them, but most mornings I was eating a handful of berries. Berries are fruits that are very low in sugar. That's why I chose berries. And so apart from that, I was just eating meat, fish, and green veggies. That's all. I was not eating any other carbs than that. And it was very hard. It was very, very hard. So the second time I did the protocol, that time I ate some carbs from the beginning, from phase 1. Because, for 2 reasons. Because first, it was the second time I was doing the protocol, so my gut was healthier. I didn't have as much Candida as I had during the first protocol, so I felt that I could eat some more carbs without feeding Candida too much when I did the second protocol. And the other reason was that it was so hard on my body of going zero carbs for 4 months. It was so hard that I didn't want to do that to my body anymore. And this is something really that I saw after with my experience, my own experience, and by helping other people, I could really see that going zero carbs for too long, and I think 2 months is too long, it's not good. You will cause more issues on your body. So it's not a good idea to do that, especially for women, because the hormonal system of women is very, very sensitive to any diet change. So I've seen several women losing their periods when they were doing the zero carb for several weeks. It was not my case, so it won't happen to everybody, but it's really hard on the body. And regarding my experience, I could feel that it was not good for my body. So I will explain that in a few seconds. But so it's especially for women, it's not a good idea to go zero carbs for a long period of time. Because again, it is very hard for the hormonal system. It's also hard for the nervous system. It's hard for the liver. You demand so much resources to your body when you go zero carbs. It's not the moment to ask your body more efforts that than what it's already doing. You know, you're sick, you have candida overgrowth, you have gut issues. Be nice, be gentle with your body. Which carbs and how much carbs can you eat during the protocol? Which carbs? I prefer to recommend natural sources of carbs. So first of all, zero sugar. I really recommend zero sugar. Whatever refined or natural sugars, zero sugar. Okay, because even if it's, you know, honey, maple syrup, agave, even these natural sugars, I don't recommend them because it really feeds candida much more, and your dysbiosis, it's the same if you have SIBO. So you will have a worsening of your symptoms if you eat pure sugars like that. So zero pure sugar for 2 months. So you can eat carbs, yes, but not pure sugars. So which carbs can you eat? I like to recommend fruits and root vegetables, okay? And regarding fruits, it's better to choose fruits that are low in sugar rather than very sweet fruits like mango and stuff like that. I recommend to go zero grains also for 2 months. I prefer, again, so for the source of carbs, fruits and root vegetables, and also pseudo grains like buckwheat or quinoa, but I prefer to recommend buckwheat over quinoa. But again, listen to your body first. It's important that you know your food intolerances also, because, for example, if you are intolerant to buckwheat, don't eat buckwheat. That's the rule number one when you do this protocol to heal your gut. You need to know your food intolerances and to eliminate your food intolerances. Yeah, and how much carbs can you eat? This I cannot answer this question precisely for you. It depends on you, on your body. So the easiest is to listen to your symptoms. So you need to reduce the carbs to the minimum, and then listen to your body. See how it goes with your body. If you start having weird symptoms like nervousness, you feel shaky, you feel anxiety, you can't sleep, stuff like that, it means that you need to eat a little bit more carbs. So the next day, eat a little bit more carbs. And as long as you have these symptoms, eat a little bit more carbs. And then when it's stabilized, when you don't have these symptoms anymore, then you found the amount of carbs you can eat. You know if you eat too much carbs when you will have a worsening of your candida or dysbiosis or SIBO symptoms. Like you will have a worsening of bloating, of gas and stuff like that. That means that you're eating too much carbs. So I cannot tell everybody eat this amount of carbs, eat this precise amount of carbs, because that's not how it works. It depends on each person. So you need to be clever and you need to listen to your body. So yeah, again, when you do the protocol, yes, you can eat some carbs, but don't eat refined sugars. And yeah, that's all you need to know regarding this subject. If you have questions, you can ask questions under this video. Go visit my website, thecandidaslayer.com. I have a course on how to heal your gut naturally. It's a booklet that details everything you need to know about gut health, about SIBO, about candida, etc. Everything you need to know to heal your gut. And also, when you buy the course, I follow you. I am with you the whole time, because every week we have a Zoom Q&A where you can ask me all your questions. So the link will be under this video in the description box for the course and for my Facebook group also. So I see you in the next video. Bye bye.